Good morning, tubers. 2016 Ford Transit. The complaint is it starts and shuts off immediately. I'm gonna show you that. It starts. Now it don't start. Okay. It tries to start, but it don't. The battery is a little low. Gotta put a booster. These are the codes. Misfire 3, O2 signal bias, O2 sensor signal bias. Okay. All right. I don't have anything right now. It's work in progress. I will come back with the next short on what we find here. Work in progress.